In our previous session, we have seen how to make use of multiple slot content projection. Now, in this video, let's see how we can format this data which has been displayed on our all events page. Here you can see the data for the events getting displayed over here. Let's see how we can format this data by making use of built-in Angular pipes. Now, if you see over here, you can see that the event name which is getting displayed for all these events are in mixed case. So I want to display all these event names in uppercase. And I want to format this date, the price, all this data which is getting displayed over here. So how we can do that? We can make use of Angular pipes, built-in Angular pipes. So let's switch to Visual Studio Code and let's implement that. So I'm switching to Visual Studio Code. Here we have, so now we have to, this is the page where we are modifying the data over here. These are the thumbnails, right? So we had used event-thumbnail component.ts. So let's open event-thumbnail component.ts. So inside this file, we are displaying the data which has to be displayed on the thumbnail of the event, right? So as part of event.name, which we are displaying over here, let's apply Angular pipe on that. Okay. So for this event name, let's apply pipe, and here let's specify uppercase. Okay. Let's save these changes. Now you can see that our project got compiled successfully and hosted on localhost colon 4200. Now if you observe, if you refresh this page and observe here, you can see that all the event names which are getting displayed over here are displayed in uppercase. This is how we are making use of this Angular pipe, that is built in Angular pipe uppercase. To make all the event names to display in uppercase, we are using this. Okay, similarly I want to apply Angular pipe for date as well, to format this in a proper format. Here you can see the date is not in a readable format, right? So let's format that now. Okay, as part of event date, I'm going to apply pipe over here, and here I'm going to apply the parameter as well. We can pass in parameters along with the pipe for formatting. For example, I can use date colon, and here I can use short. Okay, and if I save these changes, okay, it got compiled successfully. Now here you can see that the date got formatted with mmddyy, and here it is displaying the time as well. Okay, so date and time is getting displayed. Previously this was not in a proper format, right? So it got changed to the proper format by specifying this parameter short. We have other parameters as well. So one of the other parameter where I want to display only the date, I don't want to display this time, so I can make use of short date as parameter for this pipe. Okay, I'm saving these changes. So it got compiled successfully. Now I'll open the application in the browser. Now here you can see that for date it is displaying only the date, it is not displaying the time. This is how we can pass parameters for Angular built-in pipes in order to display in a proper format. Okay, and similar way where we are applying in this case is all events page. So in all events page, we are modifying the data to be formatted for these thumbnails. These are the event thumbnails, right? So we updated this event thumbnail.component.ts to reflect these changes in our application. Similarly, the same changes, the data which has to be displayed inside the event, on clicking of any of this event as well, I want this name has to be displayed in uppercase, date has to be in a formatted, proper formatted place, and here I want to display the price in a proper format as well. So all these changes we will do now. Okay, so this is under particular event. Under particular event means event details component. So let's open event-details.component.html. Okay, this is the file. So here, whatever the data we are displaying as part of that particular event, to display that event details, here we are modifying. Okay, so here also let me specify by making use of pipe as uppercase. Okay, here I'm specifying uppercase, and for date, here you can see the data, that is for date as well, I want to apply pipe over here by specifying pipe date colon passing the parameter for this short date. Okay. So for name and date, we have applied this pipe. Similarly, we can apply for price as well. Here you can see that in our application, we are displaying the price over here as 5,000. I want to display this in our INR format, that is Indian rupee format. So how we can do that? By using Angular pipe. Okay. So for event.price, here I can apply pipe, and here I can specify as currency colon inside single quote INR. Here, whatever the currency you want, you can pass over here. Instead of INR, I can pass a dollar as well, right? By using USD over here, it will display in dollars. Similarly, I am passing INR over here and I'm saving the changes. So our changes got saved successfully and it got compiled successfully. Now you can see inside this project, let me go through the main events page and I'll click on any of the event. Here you can see that this INR symbol is getting displayed prefix to this value, right? Prefix to this price value, this INR symbol is getting displayed. Suppose I want to display in dollars, then what I can do here for this currency, I can change to USD. Okay, and I can save these changes. Now it got compiled successfully. If I open this project now, if I refresh this, here you can see dollar symbol getting displayed over here. So accordingly, the currency, we can pass the value over here as parameter for this pipe. These are some of the built-in pipes which we can use in Angular in order for formatting in a proper format. Okay. Now, for example, there is a case where previously what we had done, instead of using Angular pipe inside event-thumbnail.component.ts, here you can see we had actually used backslash dollar in order to prefix with dollar for this event price. So let me show that now. Here you can see in application, in all events page, here you can see dollar getting displayed over here, but this dollar is not in a proper format. Why? Because we are not using Angular pipes in this case. We have just made use of backslash dollar prefixed with this price in order to display the price in that particular currency. So instead of doing this, we can get rid of this and we can apply Angular pipe over here, and here we can specify currency colon, here we can specify the dollar value as USD. I'll save these changes. Got compiled successfully. Now here you can see in our project, if I refresh this page, here you can see the same dollar is getting, the symbol is getting prefixed with this price value. Okay, but this time this dollar value, this dollar symbol is coming because of the pipe which we have used over here for formatting. By using currency colon USD, by using this Angular built-in pipe, we are formatting this particular data over here. So this is how we are making use of Angular built-in pipes in order to format our data in a proper readable format. Okay. So in our next session, let's discuss how to make use of custom pipes in Angular. Okay. Let's discuss that in our next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, comment, and share this video. And kindly subscribe to my channel in order to watch more videos. Please click on that bell icon so that you'll start receiving notifications whenever I'm uploading a new video.